Hi friends, today I am showing how to make tomato juice. Just three ingredients. I will make the tomato juice. Very simple way I will make you. Just ingredients are needed: tomato, just roughly chopped tomato, sugar and rock salt to taste. Then after needed black pepper powder and 1 cup of water. These are the simple ingredients of tomato juice. Then after I will show you the next step how to make tomato juice. A bowl. Then after added the tomato, roughly chopped tomato into a bowl. Then after needed sugar. Then after needed black pepper powder, some black pepper powder, and half pinch rock salt to taste. Then after added some water. Then I will make this tomato very well paste. I will paste this tomato very well. Friends, our tomato juice paste is done, and now very beautiful color making. Now this tomato juice will stir well properly. Friends, I take a strainer, then this tomato juice stir well properly. See friends, our tomato juice is now ready. Beautiful red color. Now this tomato juice is now ready for serve. Friends, our tomato juice is now ready. This is very beautiful red color, and this is now ready for serve. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.